students. This is our fourth video of set. In previous three videos we have discussed about sets, definition of sets. I will provide link of the previous video. If you have not seen the previous videos, please click on the link given in the description box. I request you all to first visit all the first three parts, then see this part. अगर आपने पहले तीन पार्ट नहीं देखे हैं तो उनको देखिएगा, उसका लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे रहा हूँ. उनको देखने के बाद इसे देखेंगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा. This is part 4, class 11 maths set part 4. In this previous for part 3, I've given definition of finite set, empty set, infinite set, and equal sets. And we have solved two questions of exercise 1.2, which were based on empty set and finite set. Now we'll see further question. In this video, in this part, I will explain you question 3, question 4, question 5, question 6. Means I will complete this whole exercise. Next video I will start further. Let's see the third question. What it says: state whether each of the following set is finite or infinite. As I said before, finite sets are the sets. Finite sets are the sets whose elements can be counted. या काउंटेबल सेट कहते हैं उनको, जिनके एलिमेंट्स हम गिन सकते हैं और लिस्ट बना सकते हैं. जिनके एलिमेंट का हम लिस्ट नहीं बना सकते हैं, मतलब लिस्ट बनेगा, बहुत सारे एलिमेंट होते हैं उसमें, जिनकी एलिमेंट्स को काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं, उनको हम इनफाइनाइट सेट कहते हैं और अनकाउंटेबल सेट्स. सो लेट्स सी वन बाय वन. द सेट ऑफ लाइंस पैरेलल टू एक्स एक्सिस. नाउ यू मस्ट हैव स्टडीड इन क्लास लोअर क्लासेस. दिस इज आवर एक्स एक्सिस, this is y axis. In class 9th Euclid Axiom we have studied, we can draw a line parallel to given line. We have studied इस line के parallel हम लोग line खींच सकते हैं. So on the y axis there are many points, so we can draw infinite number of lines which are parallel to x axis, because this line is continuous, so we can draw infinite number of lines parallel to this one. To x axis we can draw infinite number of lines parallel to it. So this set is what? Infinite set. What is the question? The set of lines parallel to x axis. You can see clearly these all lines are parallel to x axis, and so we can draw such infinite number of lines. हम गिन नहीं सकते हैं, इतनी लाइंस यहाँ बना सकते हैं. इसलिए किसका एग्जांपल है? It is example of infinite set. So we will write here. I'm writing infinite set. I hope you understood. Now let's see the second question. The set of letters in the English alphabet. Now you must have studied from lower KG section how many letters are there in English alphabet. I hope you all know that there are 26 letters, so we can easily count it. It's a finite set. Letters can be written as from A to Z like this, and number of letters you all know that 26, so it is countable set. So we can say what this is an example of finite set. Now let us see the third question. The set of numbers which are multiple of 5. Now numbers which are multiple of 5. See, it is given in definition is given like this. You have to first of all elaborate in the listing method. Numbers which are multiple of 5. You all know that numbers of which are multiple of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on. Just simply go on counting. It is infinite set. I hope you understood. So this is example of infinite set. Now I hope you will solve these two questions. Fourth one. The set of animals living on the earth. Can you count how many animals are there on the earth? It is impossible. So it is example of infinite set. Fifth one. The set of circles passing through the origin 0, 0. Now the set of animals living on the earth can be counted. Can be counted, but you can't do it. It is example of finite set. Okay. The set of circles passing through the origin. From origin is a point. Origin is a point, and we know that from taking this point as a center and increasing radius, we can draw n number of circles. If I take radius, suppose 1 centimeter, we draw one circle. 2 centimeter, another circle. 3 centimeter, another circle. 4 centimeter, another circle. So just increase the radius, and you can draw infinite number of circles from a point. Origin is just a point. we can draw n number of circles from a point, and here is infinite number. So it is an example of infinite set. Many will be confused on this question. The set of animals living on the earth is infinite set. They will say that they are infinite set, but this is possible. It can be counted. How many members are living in your school? How many students are learning in your school? How many members are there in your school? You can easily count it. But for a person which is not from belong to that school, he can't count it. So it is matter of discussable, but it is an example of finite set. I hope you have understood all the 5 questions. Now let's see question number 4. In the following state whether A is equal to B or not. I hope you have understood. Capital letter A and capital letter B denotes what? Sets. A and B are non-empty sets. We have to find out whether A is equal to B. Means A and B are equal set or not. In all the 4 examples, we have to check whether A is equal to B. Just recall, when I was teaching equal set, I told you, if the number of elements present in set A and number of elements present in set B are same, means their numbers are equal and the elements also same, then A and B are equal sets. Then A and B are equal sets. Now see, A has elements A, B, C, D. How many elements? 4 elements. It is also having 4 elements. So then there are chances they may be equal set. Now if you see whether elements are same or not, इनके elements same है क्या ये देखो आप पहले. इसमें A है, इसमें भी A है, इसमें B है, इसमें भी B है, इसमें C है, इसमें भी C है, इसमें D है, इसमें भी D है. So we say A is equal to B because the elements are same. So answer for this is A equal to B. Sorry. Let's see the second question. Here A has element 4, 8, 12, 16. It also has 4, 8, 16, 18. But this set B does not have 12 as an element. देखो A के अंदर 5 एलिमेंट है, 4 एलिमेंट है, B के अंदर भी 4 एलिमेंट है, बट एलिमेंट सेम होना चाहिए. आप ध्यान से देखेंगे A में 4 आता है, 8 आता है, 12 है, 16 है. B में 4 है, 8 है, 16 है, 18 एक्स्ट्रा एलिमेंट है. और इसके अंदर का 12 जो है इसमें नहीं है. सो A और B दोनों इक्वल सेट नहीं होंगे. सो वी विल राइट लाइक दिस, A not equal to B. Understood? Now let us see third question. Third question is A 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and B is X such that X is positive even integer and X less than 10. Focus it on X less than 10. Now this set is given in set builder form and this is given in roster form. So if you want to compare two things, first bring them in same form. Otherwise it will be difficult for you. Okay? So we'll convert this set B in the form of roster. Now A is what? Set A is, I'm writing 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And set B is X such that X is positive even integer. Now you all know that positive even integer start from 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. But the condition is given X must be less than 10. Now you have to think about both. First, X is positive even number. Second condition, X must be less than 10. X must be less than 10. So think about positive integers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 will not become because it is less than 10. Now compare the elements of both sets. Sorry. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Here there are 2, 4, 6, 8. 10 is not there in B. Therefore, we come to conclusion that A not equal to B. Now last question I will discuss. For X such that X is a multiple of 10. Now X multiple of 10 are the numbers. Convert this set as in set builder form like this, roster form, sorry. X is a multiple of 10, that is 12, 20, 30, dot. Now convert B. B is already given in the roster form, so we need to convert 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, dot dot dot. See, first of all, both are infinite sets. Now A will be equal to B if all elements are there in B are there also in B. A sorry. मतलब जो एलिमेंट्स A में आते हैं वही सिक्के वही सेम एलिमेंट अगर B में आते हैं तो A और B इक्वल होगा. Now you can see clearly B has extra elements 10, 25, sorry 15, 25 and then you get 35 and so on. So A is not equal to B. So we'll write like this: A not equal to B. I hope you have understood these two questions. Please pause the video, note it down. Let's see fourth question, fifth and sixth question of this exercise. These are the last two questions. Fifth question says, are the following pair of sets equal? We have already done a question based on this. When we said two sets are equal, when both sets have same elements. Now A is clearly in the form listing method, it has two elements 2 and 3. Now we have to solve B also. First of all, B set is given in the set builder form. मतलब उसका definition दिया गया है. We have to convert and find out what are the elements are there in B. If B has 2 and 3 as elements, then B will be equal. Now let us solve. X square plus 5x plus 6. Let's do over here. X square plus 5x plus 6. This number question we have already solved in class 10 and 9. Factorize by splitting the middle term method. Find the factors of 6 such that sum is 5. So you know that 3 2s are 6 and 3 plus 2 5. So it has factors x plus 3 and x plus 2 equal to 2. So I hope you have understood how to find solution now. X equal to what? Minus 3 or x equal to minus 2 will be the solution for this. So B has elements x is solution of this equation. We have got the solution which is minus 3 and minus 2. Just write in the set. What are the elements now? Minus 2 comma minus 3. Now check whether A is element and B is element are same or not. अब चेक करो कि A के एलिमेंट और B के एलिमेंट सेम है क्या? A के अंदर 2 3 है, B के अंदर minus 2 minus 3 है, दोनों सेम है? नहीं. So we'll say A is not equal to B. I hope this question is clear to you. Let us see second question. It says A equal to X such that X is a letter in the word follow. It is given in set builder form. So first of all we have to convert it in the listing method. Listing method बदलते हैं उसको. X क्या है? Letter है. किसका? इस word के letters है. Now what are the letters it has? F, comma, O, then it has L. Then we will not write L again because repetition is not allowed in listing method. I hope you just remember. So we will not write L. We will write O? No, because O is there. We will write W. So these are the letters of word follow. Now similarly convert B also in the same form. B is what? Y is a letter in the word wolf. Now see, wolf has all single elements. Write down in the listing method W, O, L, F. Now compare whether these two sets have same element or not. A has F, B also has F. A में O है, B also has O. A has F, B also A has L, B also has L. A has W, B also has W. So clearly this elements of A and elements of B are same. Therefore we'll say what? Therefore we'll write A is equal to B. I hope the equal set concept is quite clear to you and these questions are also clear to you. Now this question you have to solve by DIY method, that is do yourself method. You have to solve by your. I'll just explain how to solve it. From the sets given below, these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sets are given. Out of 10 sets, you have to find out, select equal sets. You have to find out which sets are equal to each other. This is simple again type question. I hope you can solve by yourself. So thank you for watching this video. We'll continue next video in the fifth part of the sets and discuss more things on the set. Thank you.